Hey, I'm the Jaunting Ape, and in today's video, we're talking about the updated drone ban in Thailand. Now, this morning, I got an email from the FEIC, who is the company that registers and insures my drones whenever I go to Thailand. So they gave me a potentially upsetting email here about the drone update. If you're not familiar with what was going on, the Thai-Cambodian border crisis, the government of Thailand has banned drones throughout all of Thailand, and that was in place August 1st to 15th. Now, I just got this update. Today is August 18th, and if you are bringing your drone to Thailand anytime soon, this is going to affect you, but there is somewhat of a silver lining at the end of it. So what they're doing is you basically are still banned in several provinces. I'm going to leave a list of them down below, as well as the applications and everything else that I'm going to be touching on in this video. So the long story short is that there is a ban still going on in 9 of the 70-something provinces that are in Thailand, and for every other province that you want to fly your drone, you have to do a pre-planned flight operation checklist, and that checklist involves downloading this UAS application, asking for permission. You need to give your location, your date. You have to do at least 3 days prior, and once you get permission from them, you have to submit something to this drone police. I believe it's the Anti-Drone Control Agency, and it's antidrone.police@gmail.com. So after you get permission from them, then you have to go back into the app before each flight, and you have to manually start and stop your flights. So while they are doing the best that they can, there is still a lot of uncomfortable restrictions that I don't like very much. Now, the silver lining is that this is so far only in effect till August 31st, so hopefully there's a good update on August 31st. I've got 3 trips planned over the next 6 or so months to Thailand, and I take my drone everywhere I go, and I love to fly it, and I always plan my trips around drone-friendly countries. So if something doesn't change before I head off, my first one is in November, I am going to be rethinking and probably booking to somewhere else. Let me know in the comments if this affects you or your travels, if you're a drone flyer and you want to take it to Thailand. Check in with the FEIC for updates. I'm the Jaunting Ape. Thanks for tuning in, and the world is yours. Except the part where you want to fly a drone in Thailand, I guess.